Today's video is a no-mat quick yoga flow standing yoga practice. This is a standing only practice. We don't do any seated or supine poses. We start and end in mountain pose. We do a full body stretch and flow. You can use this class as a quick energy boost or a morning wake-up routine. There are also relaxing ocean wave sounds in the background. Enjoy your practice. Start in mountain pose. Begin taking deep breaths, palms together in front of the heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up. Add a standing back bend, lift the heart. Exhale, mountain pose. One more half sun salutation and we'll add on. Inhale, arms up, standing back bend. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up. Keep the arms up. Warrior one. Step your left foot back. Bend the front knee. Virabhadrasana one. Add a back bend if you like. Lift the heart, lift the gaze. Keep the breath going. Open out to a warrior two. Wider stance. Keep the right knee bent. We'll add a flow. Inhale in warrior two. Exhale, reverse warrior, right arm up. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, triangle, straighten the right leg. Inhale, back to your warrior two. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, triangle. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to your warrior two. This time we'll hold the poses for a few breaths. And reverse warrior, right arm up. Rest your left hand lightly on your back leg. And release, come to triangle, straighten the right leg, reach the left arm up. Take one more full breath in triangle. And release, come up, turn the right foot in. Keep your toes turned in for a wide-legged forward fold. Arms behind you, interlace your fingers and fold forward from the hips. Relax the spine, the shoulders, the neck, the head, and breathe. Last few seconds. And slowly come up. Release the hands. Find your warrior two again. Take an inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. Step the left foot forward to forward fold. Keep your knees soft as you slowly roll up to stand. Once you're up, inhale, arms up, standing back bend. Exhale, mountain pose. We'll do everything on the other side. Inhale, arms up, standing back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up. Keep the arms up for warrior one. Step the right foot back this time. Keep the front left knee bent. If it feels good, lift the heart, take your gaze up. Keep the breath going. Open out to your warrior two. Keep the left knee bent. We'll add our flow. Inhale here. Exhale, reverse warrior, left arm up. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, triangle. Again, inhale, warrior two. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, triangle. One more time. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, triangle. Inhale back to warrior two. We'll pause here for a few breaths. And reverse warrior, left arm up. And release for triangle, Trikonasana. Straighten the left leg. Reach the right arm up. Keep the breath going. Release, come back up. Turn your left foot in. Keep the toes turned in again. Wide-legged forward fold, second set. Interlace your fingers your non-habitual way and fold forward from the hips. Let the head hang. Release any tension in the neck and the shoulders. A few more breaths here. And release, slowly come back up. Find your warrior two again. Take an inhale here. Exhale, bring the hands down. Step the right foot forward to forward fold. Keep the knees soft and slowly roll up to stand. Once you're up, reach the arms up. We'll go straight into a side stretch. Take your left wrist and fold to the right. Feel the lengthening in the left side of the body. Release, come back to the center. Step the right foot back for a high lunge. We'll add a twist to the left. Reach your left arm back. And carefully back to center. Step the right foot forward. Side stretch on the other side. Take your right wrist. Stretch towards the left. Feel the lengthening in the right side of the body. Release back to center. Step the left foot back this time for high lunge and twist to the right. Fix your gaze at one spot for balance. Last few seconds. Release back to center. Step the left foot forward. One last half salutation. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up for a standing back bend. Lift the heart. And exhale, mountain pose. Cleansing breath, inhale. Exhale, let it go. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.